This is the 2022 Barletta Cabrio QC. And what that means, this is a quad lounger with a co-captain's chair. We'll go up on the boat and show you that. So you have 4 chase lounges. Actually, the fronts come with the armrest too, which is great. You don't see that on a lot of pontoons. Removable cup holders. Barlettas do come with a food and water bowl built right in for the pets. You have plenty of charging on the Barlettas. You have a dual lamp USB up front, a dual lamp USB at the co-captain's chair, one at the captain's area as well, and then you actually have one on the back of the boat for a total of 8 chargers on this thing, which is kind of unheard of with these pontoons. So really, really nice design by Barletta. This boat is powered by a 115 horse Mercury command thrust motor. Gives you some extra torque and get you on plane a little bit quicker than the standard 115. Does have the ski tow bar as well on this boat. All Barlettas come standard with a power top, and a 10-foot bimini is standard as well. Really nice layout on the helm, pretty simple, easy to look at. Straight across, straightforward gauges there. There's the power canopy button there. It does come with the Lowrance Hook 5 as well. So you do have a GPS fish finder built in as well. Tilt wheel. Got some storage down there, but this wheel does move up and down for you. And then your co-captain and captain's chairs, basically just like an automobile chair. They will recline, tilt, slide forward and back. You got some hidden storage underneath your back seats. And then you also have some storage here with a trash can built right in to the front seats. But come on in and check out the Barletta 22QC Cabrio model on display here at SkipperBud's Lake Fenton, and get on the water today.